What is going on, guys? We just recently updated the Displayerama website. So when you search for us on Google over here, you can see that we have 103 Google reviews. Been ramping those up, and you guys have done a lot to help us out there, which is awesome. But if we go ahead and click into our website, you will notice that the entire homepage looks completely different on here. So we've been working with this. Let's say that you're scrolling through and you want to check out our different categories. There were slat wall, display cases, grid wall and accessories, and gondola, which was a new one on the website. And a lot of what the website is about is just how we can help you out with opening up a store. If you guys want to buy stuff online, that works great for us. However, if you want us to help out with designing a store, or if you want to talk to someone, then we are, of course, here to talk. We do have all of our guarantees. It's 5 guarantees that none of our competitors have. But we have the complete satisfaction guarantee. We'll work with you until you're happy. That's a pretty straightforward one. We want you to be happy working with us at Displayerama. We have a price match guarantee. So if you find a competitor out there that their pricing is lower, then we will happily match that so we can keep earning your business and not have you shop anywhere else. We have a damage-free guarantee. This ensures that if something is shipped or if it's delivered, then we will take care of you if anything goes wrong, and we'll ship a replacement. We have a hassle-free returns guarantee, and we have a same-day shipping guarantee. So let's say you come back up here and you want to find some slat wall. Let's say you scroll down to the slat wall panels and accessories, and you click into it here. See all the different products we have just that are slat wall related, and a lot of the common questions and answers. So you can click any of these drop downs, and you can see any of the answers to them. We should have the same on every category page. But let's say you're opening up a gift shop in North Carolina and you need to order some slat wall panels for it. We have 36 variations of slat wall panels on our website in different colors. Let's say you're keeping it simple and you want to roll with the black slat wall panels. You'll see that we have them where you can choose between a 4x4 slat wall panel or a 4x8. 4x8's a bit faster to install, so I'll choose that. For the groove distance, you can choose between 3 inches or 6 inches. That's 3-inch with the metal inserts, and this is the 6-inch. 6 inches, 7 slots. The 3-inch is 15 slots. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the 15 slots with a 3-inch, and I want to do it with the aluminum inserts, and boom, that's what my panel looks like. Opening up a store, so I'm gonna need 25 panels, and I'm just gonna add those right into my shopping cart here. I have a lot of other information that's all down here. Shows you some of the common accessories that people like to buy and just some other slat wall colors that you can choose from while you're there. So boom, we have those added to the cart, and I'm going to click on the cart, click on view cart, and this way I can come in, and if you hit change address, you can select the state. Let's say my store's in North Carolina. This is my zip code. Click on update, and then it will give you all the different freight costs. Now, if you're familiar with the freight companies, you can choose one that you prefer. I personally like working with either Southeastern or R&L. So I will click on R&L. And again, we have all these guarantees on the shipment, so you can rest assured that everything will show up there. No damage, show up fast, and it'll show up for a fair price. So once you have all that down, then you just hit proceed to checkout. And everybody's bought something online before, so you know the drill over here. Fill out your information. If you're shipping to a different address, you can put that in. If not, then you basically will just toss your credit card information in, and you can check out on the website. We take every single credit card, and we try to make this as easy as possible for you to order any sort of slat wall, display cases, different accessories, any other clothing racks, or if you just want to get your store design, feel free to reach out. If you go back to my email, scroll down to the bottom, then you will see my direct phone number, and you get to talk to me. So on that note, good luck with setting up your store, and I hope you enjoy the website, and peace out. We'll talk to you guys soon.